Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and I'm here working on my Dearjuliejulie September Stashbuster 2021 Junk Journal Challenge. And today I'm working with letter S, stickers. So we have to use 3 stickers in different ways for our journal, and the stickers have to be embellished. Now this one I'm a little iffy on because stickers are an embellishment. So I don't really want to risk ruining any of the stickers that I really like. So what I'm going to use are these 3 plain stickers. And this is just in a pack of stickers that or labels that I got from Walmart. 5 sheets of adhesive labels. It says $1 on the back. They were actually on clearance for 50 cents. So I had picked up a couple of packs of those some time ago, and that's what I'm going to use for this. So, and you can see I've already cut them off the sheet because I don't want to peel them off and off their backing until they're ready to go into my journal. So this one, I actually trimmed it right to the printed edge. And the reason I've done that is this one is going to be a tab. So I'm going to fold it in half. And I realize it may not be a perfect half, and that's fine, but I just want to have, for now, a visual of where about halfway is. Then I'm going to take this little piece of ribbon. Can't tell which is the top. I think we'll put it that way. Just right across the blank part of that label. And I did distress the white part of the label ahead of time, just in case any of it showed. I did that for all the labels. Okay. Now let me trim off this end here. All right. So that is that. And on one side, oops, that's not quite straight. Okay. And on one side of the label, I'm going to put the word crisp. So on one side of the tab will show crisp, just a description of autumn weather. And this is the reason that I wanted to see the halfway point. And then on the other side, I'm going to put this dragonfly that is from my scrapbook paper. And just that simply, I have a page tab. Okay, so there's item 1. For item 2, I'm going to use this larger sticker, and I'm going to make a pocket out of this. It'll be a little bitty pocket, but that is what I'm going to do. Let's see. First, I want to, where is my little tool? I've got this clear sticker, and I want to put it down first. These things are kind of hard to peel. Well, they're hard to get started. I probably should have done that before I turned the camera on. There, I got it. All right. And I'm going to put that down. I'm going to pull this a little closer so I can try to see. I want it to go right up to the edge, but not over the edge. Okay. So I've got that little sticker down. Now I've got this little piece of scrapbook paper, and I just distressed around it and rounded the corners. So those little yellow goldenish flowers will kind of be peeking out. It almost looks like a, well, it looks like a pocket, which it is. Oh, wait. Before I do that, I want to put a tiny, and I mean tiny, little thumb hole in that. See what I mean? I mean, that is just the slightest little thumb hole. Okay, now I'm ready to glue it down. Okay. And get it scooched about where I want it. And I'm going to take my top corners and I'm going to scoot them just the tiniest bit in, just to put a little bow at the top of the pocket to make it a little easier to get something in it. Okay, so there's the pocket, and then I cut this label into two pieces that says "Change is Beautiful," which I think is very appropriate for fall. That label is, or that word, these words, excuse me, are from Calico Collage. So I've got the first one, and here's the second one. I've got to pull it down a little bit so I can see how unstraight I am. All right. So there's my second sticker, just a little bitty pocket. All right. Then for my third one, basically I'm just going to build a cluster on top of it. I think Julie calls it a stack of sticker. To me, it's just a cluster built on top of a sticker. Just because I'm not sure what else to do, and this I will be able to use anywhere my journal needs a little bit of decoration. So I've got this little piece of lace that I'm going to put down, and got this that says cozy, but I want to put some dictionary page under there first. So, whoops. And on this one, I'm just using my Fabri-Tac because I've got that lace, so I'm pretty sure my art glitter glue would hold it, but and then I think I want another piece of the dictionary page sticking out up over here. So I'll do the same thing over here. And now my little cozy label. This is also from Calico Collage. Okay, and then last but not least, I've got this little butterfly from my scrapbook paper pad. It was a whole sheet of butterflies, dragonflies, and moths, and I just fussy cut them all out on my Scan and Cut. And don't want to cover up the cozy, so we'll just kind of go just like that. And so there I have a little cluster embellishment to be able to use on a page in my journal, and I've got my little pocket and my page tab. So those are my 3 makes for using stickers. This one really, like I said, this one kind of threw me. I kind of like the pocket though. All right. So until next time, everyone, I wish you a wonderfully happy, crafty day, and I will talk to you all very soon. Bye-bye.